In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Capital One app not working. So let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check their server status. You can go to status.capitalone.com and it will show you if their systems are operational or not. If that is not the case, it could also be your internet connection. Try switching between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data, and you can restart your router as well. If that doesn't work, simply go ahead and try closing and reopening your application, and it could also have a pending update. So simply go to your App Store or Play Store and then simply go ahead and update your application. Again, if that doesn't work, you want to simply go ahead and try to restart your phone, clear your cache if you're on Android, or offload app if you're on iPhone. And also, one major thing is your date and time settings also does matter. So make sure that it is set to automatically. And if none of it works, simply go ahead and try reinstalling the application, which should go ahead and work. I hope this video clarifies